In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Elevenlabs Conversational AI to Twilio using the full code. Let's get started by diving into these straightforward steps. First off, you'll want to navigate to the Elevenlabs website. Once you're there, you're looking for the free text-to-speech and AI voice generator section. This will be your gateway to utilizing Elevenlabs' powerful AI tools. If you haven't already logged in, now is the time to do so. Simply head to the sign-in page and enter your credentials to access your account. Now that you're logged in, let's proceed to the main dashboard. Here on the home page, you can see all the functionalities Elevenlabs offers. Next, locate and click on the Conversational AI tab. This is where your journey in connecting Elevenlabs with Twilio will really begin. In this section, you are provided with various options to modify or create conversational agents. The interface is designed to be user-friendly, so you won't need to worry about being overwhelmed by technicalities. Moving along, you'll want to find and select the telephony option. Click on that, and it will guide you to a series of phone-related features. Here, you're specifically interested in managing your phone numbers, so the next step is to click on Phone Numbers. This section allows you to view and manage all the phone numbers associated with your account. Now, it's time to import a number. Look for the option that says Import Number and click on it. This is where you're going to start linking with Twilio. You'll see an option that says From Twilio, and this is precisely where you need to navigate next. Click on that link to proceed further. Selecting From Twilio will set the platform to start the process of integrating and importing your phone number from Twilio. Finally, click on the Import Phone Number from Twilio feature. This action will begin the process of importing your chosen phone numbers from Twilio into Elevenlabs. Be patient, as this might take a moment depending on the connection and any additional configurations associated with your account. And there you have it. You're now set up to access and utilize your phone numbers connected with Elevenlabs via Twilio. By following these steps, you've accomplished integrating Elevenlabs Conversational AI with Twilio seamlessly. This integration can help enhance your communication strategies, whether it's for personal projects or business applications, by leveraging premium AI capabilities. Thanks for sticking around, and I hope you found these instructions easy to follow. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out in the comments below or refer back to this guide.